everyone, and welcome back to a Nail of the Week. This is my Halloween look, so stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody. Good to see all of you back doing another Nail of the Week. And this one is my Halloween design, like I told you. I was inspired by Robin Moses on this one. She is my most favorite YouTuber. She's so talented and amazing, and I've learned so much. And this look here I did was inspired by her. Let me show you. So I did spiders and cobwebs. I have added in the glitter. She didn't have glitter on hers or the stones. I, changed it up just a little bit to make it mine, but the inspiration was from her. I absolutely love it. And these do glow in the dark. So if I get a chance to get some pictures of them glowing, I'll let you guys see that too. But I did do a glow polish over them. Hopefully I can get some photos for you guys. But if not, they do glow in the dark. But anyways, I hope you guys will definitely give this look a try. Have fun. I hope all of you guys have a fantastic Halloween. And I hope you enjoy the toe design and the outfit to come. I love you guys very much. God bless and take care. Let's get started on this look. Hey everyone. So here's what I chose to go with for my Halloween nails, spiders and cobwebs. If you'd like to see how I did this one, continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to Nail of the Week. This design is going to be my Halloween look, and I was inspired by Robin Moses for this one. It's going to be like a French look, but more scary-like for Halloween. So it's going to be black on the tips with black spiders. I'll be working with acrylic paint. She used like a powder that it was a glow-in-the-dark powder. I'm actually going to use a glow-in-the-dark polish to kind of do the same idea she did for the background. But I'll show you what I'm using in today's design. So for starters, I've got this beautiful sheer pink on. It's the Essie's Sugar Daddy. I've used this one before, 160. I love it. It's a nice, beautiful sheer pink because I want a French look. And then I'll be working with this right here. This is a glow-in-the-dark polish I got from CVS. And I'm just going to be putting that kind of halfway up, and then I'm going to do a second coat at the bottom, kind of how she did to give it kind of an ombre, so it's a little bit more glowy at the bottom. And then I will be working, like I said, with acrylic paint. I've got the black here watered down, just the black I'm going to be working with. I'll be using this brush. It is my 10/0 liner. And then I'll be putting in some rhinestones. I'm just going to use these tiny ones into the spiders. I'm going to be putting that for the bodies. Not sure what color yet. But I am going to get started with some of this. I'm going to start with the glow-in-the-dark stuff, and I'll return to show you how I'm doing that. Okay, now I've got it on. Again, you can't see this step because it's kind of just a clear, but I'll show you. I'm just making the ends a little bit more glowy like Robin did in her video. Again, I'm just going to grab a little bit more of the stuff and go across. She had used a powder glow-in-the-dark, and she added a clear into it, so it kind of made it a little bumpy on the ends. But I am just using this because I am still moving things in, and I don't have my glow-in-the-dark powder stuff that I wanted to use. So I just went with that. But it's a very nice glow-in-the-dark. It works very well. I've got it before. And like I said, it's from CVS, this one here. So this will work. But anyways, I'm going to now start on the black for the tips, and I'll come back in and show you how I'm doing that. All right, so now you see I've got the look of that French look, but making it look more spooky for Halloween. So that's what I did here, and I'll show you. I'm just taking my liner brush here, dipping into my wet paint that's been watered down. I'm just going to brush a little bit off here, and then I just go up to the finger, and I just start to do like brush strokes, but like really fast, and let it be like a dry brush look so that it gets some dark spots and some light spots. And I'm going to dip in a little bit more, wipe a little bit off, and again do the same thing. Go across like that. And they don't have to be perfect, like I said, because this is the look of a Halloween look. So you want it to be more spooky-like. So just like that, and just each one can be differently. Just go through it like that, and it gives you that look. So there's that there. Now I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to start putting in some spiders. All right, now you see I've got the spider webs and the spiders. Aren't those great? I haven't added in the little biters yet, but I did on the one nail here. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing that. So for the web, you want to just be gentle with your touch when you do the web. So I'm just going to get a tiny little bit of paint on the end here. Draw in. And I'm going to do that over here. So I'm just going to go off to the side here really lightly and just draw a very thin little line down. Now remember, this is a painting, so you don't want it to be, look like a sticker. So you want it to have that, that look of a drawing. You want it to look like that. And I'm just drawing in the little lines like that, like the web there. If you see how I did that off to the side, and I really like that. Then the spider now, I did this one going downward, so now I'm going to do this one up. So what you're going to do is just do the body here, the head first. There's the head, just a round circle. And then I'm going to do the body and make that kind of a little bit more oval shape, like an egg shape, like that. Then the legs, you don't want a lot of paint, but you want to go like this and go up with one side and bring that up. There's the one leg. And then you want to match the other one to that. So I got a little bit more paint. Go up like this, very gently, and go like that. Then you want to do the bottom legs second. So go like this and bring the bottom legs like this. And a spider has 8 legs. So that's why you want to get these first 2 done like that. Then you're going to go in between. And the first 2 are going to go, or second 2, whatever, however you start, are going to go matching with the bottom ones. So again, I'm just going to draw in a leg this way and come down that way. Then the other one is going to go the opposite way, and it's going to go up like that. So I'll draw another one in here, like that. There you've got the 8 legs. Now for the little biters, I'm just going to get a tiny little bit of paint here, and I'm just going to put a couple little biters in there, and right there. And my other side, I think I missed one. Yeah, I missed one over here. So that spider's going down, so we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to draw a couple little biters here, like that. So I am going to be putting rhinestones and stuff in it, but you see when you do it that way, it just looks so authentic and just so pretty, and it definitely then does not look like a sticker. So that's how I did that. So now I'm going to let these dry up. I am going to add in a little bit of glitz to this, so I'm going to pick out a glitter, and then I'll be back to show you along with the stones for the bodies. All right, now you see I've got the purple bodies with those rhinestones. Isn't that pretty? I love it. So I'm going to dip into the super glue onto an orange wood stick. Draw in here for you guys. And put the glue right on the body, like that. Wipe off. And then I'm just going to start grabbing these little purple rhinestones. And they're a 6SS. They're really tiny ones, which works great. I mean, I could have done a bigger one in these bodies because they're a little bigger, so I could have done more of a bigger stone, but I just thought it would look really pretty doing these smaller little stones like this. I think it would give more bling to the, the spider or whatever. So, and I'm actually really liking the way it turned out because I've seen these done with just the body, and actually I like that right there. That looks good right there. So, and I've done it with just one stone, and it's just as pretty, but I really like it with the multi-stones like that. So, now I'm going to let these dry up. I'm going to get working on the glitter mixture I made, and I'll show you guys that, and I'll return. Okay, now you see I've got that glitter running through it. I've got it running through the spider webs and the spider nails. So, I've just taken my 2 micro glitters. I took a black and a silver, so you could really see it. Sorry, I'm getting in your way. And I just added in some clear. I made this mixture right here. It's black and silver. That's what I'm working with. I just used those packages of glitter I got from Joanne Fabrics. They're a micro glitter. So let me draw in here. And I'm going to start off with doing the spider for you guys. I just grabbed a little bit of the glitter mixture onto my brush. And just like this, because then you have more control when you do it that way. And then through the spider web, grab a little bit more. And through the spider web, I'm just going to, nothing fancy, just running through it just to add that bling to it. And just, same way I was doing the technique with the polish itself, or the acrylic paint itself doing the design. I just wanted that little bit of glitter. And I'll show you what I'm talking about for the micro glitters. I use this one right here, the black one, and the silver. And I got these packs from Joanne Fabrics. They're a beautiful micro glitter. I don't think they were designed for nails, but they sure work great for nails. So now I am all done with this. I am going to top coat with my Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat, and then I will come back to show you guys the end product. Make sure when going over stones that you use very thick top coat like that and glide over them and get out all air pockets. I will return to show you the end product, everyone. All right, I am all done with my Halloween nails, and I love the way they turned out. Now, I hate spiders, but painted spiders, that's okay. And this one, like I said in the beginning, was inspired by Robin Moses. Definitely check her out. She is an amazing artist on YouTube, and I have learned so much from her. Now, I changed this one up just a little bit, added the glitter in and the rhinestones, but it was definitely inspiration from her. I always do something a little bit different to kind of make it mine, but this inspiration was from her, and I just love it. Now, I could have done green or orange for the bodies. I like that I did purple. You could definitely try it with whatever color stone you liked for Halloween. But yeah, I love this look, and I'm glad that it turned out just the way I imagined it. So anyways, I hope you guys will definitely give this one a try. It was fun. Just be patient with yourself and, do it on paper first, and eventually you will get just as good on your nails. It's just patience and time. So, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. There'll be a toe design to match and an outfit as always. I love you guys very much. God bless and take care. See you guys in my next video.
Ha 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 ha!